in the 11 plus so far, I've never heard of them saying what is a synonym for this, that, or the other. What's an antonym for this, that, or the other. But they do ask for what's closest in meaning. That's a synonym, or what is most opposite in meaning, and that's a antonym. And English is particularly rich in these because we've just taken from any old language that come. We've had the Normans, the Vikings, the Saxons. We've had a sort of like a prototype Welsh before that. We've added any sort of word we come across that's good. We just use it. So things like igloo or pyjamas, it's a good word. We'll use it. It's quite if you're on the outside and feeling touchy, it can feel a bit like you're just stealing words. But I prefer to think of it as a celebration of getting things exact. But it can be quite fun finding out about the history of words. So in an ideal world, get yourself a dictionary of etymology, which just tells you where they come from. And then you get a bit of sort of, it's just fun, to be honest, it's fun. So let me give you a few examples. We have to wed, which is Old English, or to marry, which is Norman French. Kingly, Old English, royal, Norman French, or regal, Latin. Child, English, infant, Norman French. Friendly, Old English, amicable, Latin. Fatherly, Old English, paternal, Latin. Holiday, Old English, vacation, Latin. Not American, if you're thinking that. It goes far, far, far further back than America before it was even discovered. Well, by Europeans. So embrace the words and in all of their. We'll come back to this again and again because it's kind of fun. Thanks ever so much. Bye. Ooh, wrong button. With you in a moment. Bye.